Okay, so now we're going to do another of our fake whiteboard activities. So have out a piece of paper where you can pause the video, write out what you think your answer is, and then you'll restart the video to check your answer and then move on to the next question. Okay, so have your question notes pulled up in another tab. We're going to practice asking these questions, translating these questions from English into French by using the form indicated. So remember, in English, we almost always use the word do at the beginning to indicate that we're asking a question. They don't do that in French. So don't ever ask yourself, how do you say do in French? Doesn't matter for questions, okay? So what matters is that we are saying we have science, making it a question with inflection. So if you look at your notes, inflection is just raising your voice. You don't have to do anything with the word order. You don't have to do any hyphens. You don't have to add any phrases. So all you're going to do for inflection is write the words "we have science" in French and add a question mark. So go ahead and pause your video, write this question with inflection. All right, so checking your answer, you should have written "Nous avons les sciences." So we have we, the correct form of the verb avoir for have, and then les sciences. Okay, nous avons les sciences. We have science? Okay, now that exact same question with inversion. So if you remember, we have inflection here. For inversion, all we do is flippy flop. Okay, so pause, write down your answer. Checking your answer, you should have written avons-nous les sciences. So we flipped the subject and the verb, we put a hyphen in between them. Avons-nous les sciences? Same question, this time with est-ce que. So if you're looking at your notes, you should know that est-ce que goes in the beginning of the question. So pause and écrivez. Est-ce que nous avons les sciences? Est-ce que nous avons les sciences? Do we have science with est-ce que? And the last form, how do we ask that same question? Do we have science? But using n'est-ce pas. Pause, écrivez. Nous avons les sciences, n'est-ce pas? We have science, right? Nous avons les sciences. Okay, so those are asking the exact same question. Do we have science? But in 4 different ways. Let's practice with another one. Does she have a pencil? Does she have a pencil with inflection? Just raising your voice. Pause, écrivez. Elle a un crayon. Elle a un crayon. She has a pencil. Now the exact same question with inversion. Be careful here with your inversion. Pause, écrivez. So checking your answer, the correct answer is a-t-elle un crayon. So we should switch the L and the A for inversion, but then we have that A and that E next to each other and we can't get rid of it. So we put the T in the middle. A-t-elle un crayon? Does she have a pencil? Same question now with est-ce que. Again, be careful with your vowels here. Pause, écrivez. Est-ce qu'elle a un crayon? That est-ce que, Q-U-E, became Q-U apostrophe because we don't like those vowels next to each other. Est-ce qu'elle a un crayon? And now, last form, same question. Does she have a pencil with n'est-ce pas? With n'est-ce pas? Pause, écrivez. Checking your answer. Elle a un crayon, n'est-ce pas? Elle a un crayon, n'est-ce pas? Okay. Does he have a door? With inflection. I know the questions are weird, but we're practicing with words that we know. Does he have a door? Inflection. Pause, écrivez. Checking your answer. Il a une porte. Il a une porte. He has a door. Okay. Same question. Inversion. Inversion. Pay attention to those vowels. Pause, écrivez. Vérifiez, a-t-il une porte? A-t-il une porte? Again, we have that A and that I next to each other when we inverted, so we have to put the T in the middle. A-t-il une porte? Does he have a door? Same question with est-ce que? Pause, écrivez. Vérifiez, est-ce qu'il a une porte? Again, before those vowels, Q-U-E is going to become Q-U apostrophe. Same question, does he have a door? N'est-ce pas? N'est-ce pas? Il a une porte. N'est-ce pas? Il a une porte. Okay, so we have gone over all of those forms of questions. We've practiced with this fake whiteboard activity. Make sure you've taken a picture of your paper or your Google Doc to submit proof to, and then go back to work on the next assignment.